Our trip to Hua Hin was short but very memorable. However, good things have to come to an end, and it's time to go back to Bangkok. Before we go to our hotel, we dropped off at a mall in Central Rama.
Wow, it's dark outside. May bagyo.
Our hotel in Bangkok is located in Silom, the heart of LGBT in Bangkok.
Okay, let's do a room tour.
No durians, no marijuana and smoking. This is interesting. You can change the color of the lamp. Parking lot view. After settling down, we went out to check the neighborhood and also do some laundry.
Mango tree, very close. Street food, Eatery laundry.
Now when I give my all, moving in like you haul, broke down my walls, threw my way and I can't help but flash. Fingers to my hair, I feel a rush. Thinking about you got me back in 2005. I'm crushing like a child, still running around but only now on high. Now every time I think about you, catching my eye from across the room.
We wanted a break from Thai food, so we went to a nearby mall to look for Western options. It's a bit sweet, like tocino.
For 73.
There's always room for dessert, so we went to another mall to look for one. As my typical routine when traveling abroad, I go to the gym first thing in the morning. Despite being small, this hotel has a lot of facilities. Let's check the breakfast at this hotel. My sister wasn't feeling well, so I went around Silom alone in the morning. I wanted to try the pool before checking out. Checking out. Goodbye room. Carinderia, Bangkok style. Free ice service, free water service. We left our bags at the hotel and decided to go sightseeing. My sister hasn't been to the Jim Thompson Museum, so we decided to go there.
Guided tour.
You can find many souvenirs and products made from Thai silk here. Beside the Jim Thompson House is a new facility for art and galleries.
Wow, rooftop. Jim Thompson House. Interesting chair.
Of course, we're not gonna miss Siam Paragon, especially when we're in the area.
So fancy. Wow.
That's it for this video, and thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and let me know what you think about this video in the comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more content on food, travel, and life in Kyoto with Dai. In the next video, my sister is flying back to Manila, but I will stay in Bangkok for one more night. Join me as I stay at another hotel convenient for Chatuchak Market and for Don Muang Airport. It's gonna be a fun-filled last night in Bangkok, full of food, new discoveries, and anything that Bangkok has to offer. Until the next video, stay safe and goodbye.